Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, we review our weekly trade, right? So if you want to follow us up and see how our progress, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see what we are doing here on this channel, how we are progressing, right, in our trade, right? So basically, right now, we from January 2024 to right now, we journal every of our trades, right? Right. I said almost every of our trade, not all. I think just few that we didn't journal, but almost every of our trades we journal everything here on this channel, guys. And then our account, we also show you guys our account, the trades we took on the account live for you to guys to see the account live. It's not just, we don't just come to the to trading view and then show you guys. No, we also go to our account and then show you guys that okay, this is what we are doing, this is our performance, right? This is just done. We do this just to track our progress and then to see how we have improved over time. That is, I think, the major reason why we do this. We don't just share our trade and all of this just simply because we want views or not on all of that. No, that's actually not the major reason why we do this, right? Just to track our progress, right, guys? All right, guys. So without talking, wasting much of our time, let's get started, guys. So as you can see right here, I've already summarized everything that happened, the trade that we took this week. However, what I'm going to do before we are going to quickly start with GBP because I actually have a lot to show you guys today. So as you can see right here, this is my Bybit platform. So I've logged in my Bybit account. You know, guys, I'll be telling you guys I've been trading crypto. I think last all through last month. Today is 1st of June. So last month, on month of May, I traded crypto very well. So I'll be showing you guys my account history, right? Or the crypto I traded, my account history, or my performance and everything, right? So you know, guys, I've not been showing you guys ever since. So I decided to show you guys my account history, guys. So this is going to be lovely, right? All right, so guys, let's quickly go to our MT5 and then I'll share with you guys the setup, right? So this is my MT5 right here. As you can see right here, it was 3 RR. Remember that account we are still trading, that pro firm account that we are still trading. That's what we are still on that account. That, you know, guys, we are still trading that account. And also remember that other account, that account I told you guys that it's a sent account, right? So that account, I think I withdrew some funds out of it, of which I told you guys, I think the last two video episodes, episode 16, yeah, I showed you guys the withdrawals. And then what later happened, I took a trade on GBP USD, and then, guys, I lost a lot on that trade, and then I decided to withdraw my funds out of it. Now, this is the reason why I withdrew my funds out of it. I realized that on that broker, which is Light Finance, the leverage is too small. It's too small, so I could not really open many positions. So I just decided to just withdraw my funds out of it, and then I'll probably get a profile account and continue, right? Continue. So I'll be showing you guys maybe this month. So I'll start trading that particular account this month, right? So that's what will happen this month, guys. So the Lord has a lot for us this month of June, guys. So that's it, guys. So as you can see right here, this is the last trade I took. This is the trade I took. Remember, I told you guys the other time that I lost a trade, all these trades right here. I always show you guys everything. So this is the GBP trade I took. It was just such an amazing trade, right? So let me quickly show you guys on the chart what yeah, let me quickly show you guys on the chart. GBP. Alright, guys, so let me go to 1 hour time frame. You know, I always take my trade on 1 hour time frame. This trade wasn't so cool. It wasn't a very clean setup. So, but then I saw that liquidity were just swept. Liquidity was swept and a lot of things. After this first change of character, and the liquidity was swept here, and then you can see the thing just started drawing down, drawing, drawing. It didn't even want to sell, but until later, it was even when I woke up, I saw that the guy was around this zone. So I was super excited, guys, because after, I think, two straight losses here. After two straight losses here, one, two, I was actually expecting a win trade, right? I was expecting a win trade, guys. So that's actually it, guys. That's actually what happened for forex last week. I only took one trade in forex last week, right? So, and I also dropped a trade on the Telegram group. I dropped Euro JPY. So if you want to catch some of our signals, you can join our Telegram via the link on the description below. So this is the trade I dropped for you guys. I didn't take this trade, guys, because I was already on. In fact, you guys know I don't like taking Euro. I only trade GBP JPY and GBP USD on that particular account. You guys know that already. So that's the reason. So remember, all through, if you go check the history, we only trade GBP JPY and USD, GBP JPY and US GBP USD. Sorry, guys. So guys, that's the reason I didn't take this trade. And moreover, I was already on. I wanted to take GBP USD, so I dropped the signal for you guys. I knew that this signal was pretty going to go well because I saw a 4 hour change of character right here, and I knew that it was the right time to job it to itself. So I dropped the signal, and I don't know, and the people that took this trade, they made some money from it last week, guys. So let me not waste our time. Let's get into that crypto, guys. So guys, I would like to hear crypto injured me. Oh. Crypto injured me, guys. Like, guys, trading is not easy. Trading is not easy, guys. So these were the trades. So as you can see, so thank God, everything they are all here right now. So guys, this was the trade. I was hoping that this was my entry. I was Which one did I even take? It wasn't this. It was this. So I was like, okay, now right now price has traded back into this support level, and then I waited for this guy to break, and then this guy broke to the upside like this, and I was very happy, hoping that this guy will start trading higher, only for me to take the trade, and then the guy stopped me out. Guys, trading is hard, I won't lie to you guys. So he stopped me out, and that's just it, guys. So the same thing here happened here. So here I was like, okay, um BTC was pretty bullish, and BTC was cool at that particular moment because I used BTC as additional confluence for my trade. I think this was it. Not here. Oh gosh, I don't even know where it is again, but BTC was pretty cool that moment, and then Ethereum as well. So exactly, this was the point, guys. Even me, I actually thought Ethereum would fly from here because the momentum was so strong that Ethereum just picked up. Though I didn't take this trade, but I don't know if I dropped it on the group. So it just picked up and they started running. So I was hoping this guy will come and create a new high. That's just what I thought. But then using all of that indicators, I said, okay, Dodge is going to follow suit, which is this particular setup is going to follow the same thing. So I pretty waited for this guy. Had traded into this support level and then traded high like this, and it came pretty to this came swept liquidity from this region, swept this low right here, swept that low, and then pretty it came to give us a change of character here, and that this was I actually took this trade here, right? So my it got it almost got to one arrow, guys. So my trade almost got to one arrow before it reversed. I just follow my rules. I have to wait until my trade gets to one arrow before I exit. However, I'm actually this month of June, just going to my risk management. I decided to just add something to it, right? So which is once my trade gets to 0.5, which is something like this, like of target like this, I'll move my stop loss to 50%. I'll move it to 50%, right? That's actually so once I have profit of um 0.5 arrow, right? I'll move I will reduce my stop loss by 50%, right? So that's actually what I'm adding up to my trade management here. So the strategy and everything still remains the same, but I'm actually working. I'm working on some things, guys. So I'm back testing on so many things. So that's just the work. So let's go to BTC on the BTC trade I took. Where did I take that trade? Where is it? Where is it, guys? Honestly, my stuff. Okay. Today I cleared this stuff. I wanted to back test, and then I went to. I know I cleared this stuff. Oh my god. All right, guys. Okay. Yes. Yeah. This was the trade I took, guys. This was the trade I took. So I took a trade here. I was like, okay, this guy has taken out this high. And what even gave me the confidence of taking this trade was this low. This low was swept, right? And then immediately it traded higher and gave us a what, a change of character here again. It changed character to the upside. And what happened? I took my entry around this region. My stop loss was pretty here, and then this guy got to 0.5. So that, you see, this is why I told you guys that I want to like, if for instance now I was using that my this stuff I told you, this management stuff I said I want to implement, I would have only maybe it would have stopped me out half of my risk, right? So but guy, it is what it is. That these are losses. So three straight losses for the week on crypto trade, right? Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. Taking loss is not easy, guys. All right, so let's quickly go to my account. I pretty don't use a lot of money to trade my, actually this is live account, right? So I don't use a lot of money to trade. I actually use small money, right? So I actually believe that if I'm able to trade even a small money, I'll be able to trade big one. So while I'm still, for me, I'm still learning, right? And I'm still practicing. That's what I would say. And while I'm still practicing, let me use small funds to trade and practice. Why I see, let me see what's up, right? What is going to happen? Let me see if I'll be able to trade it and make profit, right? That's actually my aim, right? If I'm able to trade even this little money I'm using right now, and I'm able to make lots of profit, right? I'm profitable with it, then I can decide to increase my the capital, my trading capital, right? And then risk more, since I know that I'm confident that, okay, see, if I'm putting in this certain amount of money, I will still be profitable, right? So that's actually what I'm doing right now. So this is a, I'll say, is a new this account. I just started trading in it, I think a month or 2 months ago. So I'm going to show you guys everything, all right, all the history. This thing should come here now. So this is all the history right here. You can see I cannot go back, right? So this is all the history. So I started trading on this account when, on the 5th. Is this 5th? On the 3rd, yeah, this is I don't know. Okay, 5th month, which is last month, on the 3rd of last month. That's the first time I took a trade here on this account, and my first trade was pretty bunk, my bunk. So I want you guys to see everything. So my first trade was a loss, so I was risking $5 on this trade. I risked $5 on this trade, as you can see right here. It was a loss. And then the second trade was a win. I dropped this signal on the group. I can still remember this particular trade. It was pretty a swing trade. I was risking $5. I risked $5 for this trade, but then I took out only approximately, this is around eight point something dollar, right? This $3, let's just say seven point something, 7.6 or so, $7.5, right? So that's actually what I took out of this trade. $7.5, that's what I took out of this trade. I took out partials first. This was the, I think I took out partials, and then I waited for the trade to just to go further, and then I took out everything, right? So this was the entry price, for you to know that these two, they are the same trade, right? They are the same trade, right? That's the entry price. So that's what happened on this trade. I was supposed to make, I think, about three $15, but I made, eventually made, it didn't hit my target actually. So I made half of it, right? $7.5, right? And I was risking God. Let's just say I made 1.5 RRO on this trade. So this one was pretty a break even trade, right? So anything you see less than $5, less than, let's say, this one is just miscalculation actually. So this one, I think I just took a trade and I left or something like that. So this one was a break even trade. So as you can see right here, so I'm just trying to show you guys my history. That's what I'm trying to do, right? So that I don't know, I promised you guys, I think on the last episode, on episode 17, that I'm going to log into my account, on my trading account, and show you guys all my trades. So that's pretty what I'm doing right here. So as you can see right here, I took Ethereum trade, and that Ethereum trade, guys, that day I was so excited. I think I dropped this on the group. Yeah, it was the WhatsApp group. I dropped this trade. I dropped this trade on the group. So this trade, I'm supposed to make about $10 from this trade, but I made 8.5. One thing I did, one mistake I made on this trade was that I was supposed to, my TP was very close to my the price was very close to my TP, but I closed, I just closed it, right, without allowing it to hit TP. That's actually what happened on this trade. If not, I would have made pretty, I think, up close to $10 on this trade. So risking $5 for $10, but then I made $8.5. So this were the, see, the challenge is this period when I was winning a lot, right? I didn't manage my trade properly. You get, guys. So that's actually the challenge, right? The problem, right? The problem with this whole trade that I took, and then that's it. That, I think, that's one of the problem. Another challenge is, at the time when I grew this account to about almost $80, I started risking $10, and then when I started risking $10, all my trade, I only took one profit. Okay. I think when I grew the account to about $40, I started risking $10. So the first $10 trade I took was a win, and then it took the account to pretty almost $80, right? That's $78, $78.5. So from there I now started risking $13, and then I withdrew about $30. It was remaining $50. So I started risking $13, and then the next, in fact, the whole trade that I've been taking after that, that all of them has been losses. You get. So the challenge here is, the problem here is, the lesson I've learned is I should learn to risk one particular amount on all my trades, except I am like fully ready, right, to, or I have grown my account to some a certain extent, a great extent, before I start, okay, I increase the risk, right? And I will not just increase it by 50% like that. I will increase it gradually, not the way I did it. And secondly, my wins, I should try to maximize my wins, right? So that's actually, I should try as much as possible to maximize my wins. Now, unlike what I did here, it was actually first stage. So I was winning, I was losing, right, almost the $5, and I was still winning $5 and all of that. Though some of the trade, like this one, this trade did not hit my full TP. I think I took partials. It was then the remaining trade, maybe it hit it got to what, break even, stuff like that. So this one was the Ethereum trade. So that's why I told you guys that I was winning back to back. You guys thought I was lying. I hope you guys can see. I was truly winning back to back. You can see Dodge trade, like back to back wins. As you can see, Dodge trade again. Like I was risking $5, and I made this. So that's how I was able to grow my account, right? Like literally, I was trading. I traded that account to, I funded $20, right? So, but when I started trading this account, I started with around, let's say, $10. Yes, when I started trading this account, I started with around $10. So as you can see, I started with around $10. Yes, so that $10 is what I grew, right? So I was able to grow that money. And you can check my profit and all of that. You can see everything, right? So and I was able to make this. So this one was pretty a break-even trade as well. This is just the fee you get. So this was that trade I told you that I made almost. So after this trade, guys, after this particular trade, I started risking $10. So the first $10 I risked, I made profit, right? As you can see right here, this is the mem trade. Then the next one, I think this was pretty a break-even trade. And then the next one, guys, I lost it. I lost the trade to Shiba Inu. And then another one again, Shiba Inu, I lost it. That's minus $20, guys. So minus 20. That's, I think, from all the trades I'll be showing you guys, we have three losses now. Let's go. So this is all here, all true, is only this one loss, guys. So when I was telling you guys that I was winning back to back, you guys maybe will feel like I'm lying or stuff like that. So you can see all of them, we never lost any trade apart from that one trade. Then from all of a sudden, from here, that's, I think, for 2 weeks straight now I have been losing back to back, guys. Pity me, oh, pity me. I've been losing back to back, guys. So so I lost this trade, and that's the number two, three, four. 5 and 6 straight losses. So what happened now? Immediately after I lost this $10, I lost this $10, I lost this $10. That's $30, right? So I decided, guys, I decided I decided to start risking $5. Let me stop. I had to stop risking $30. If not, I will quickly blow up my account because pretty my account was left with what? Okay, I think after here, I think after this trade, okay, this trade after I took this trade, my account was remaining what? $20. $20, yes. After this trade, my account balance was left with $20. So I had to come back and I took this trade. I took this trade, took this trade, two trades. I told you guys this week alone. Let's check. Let's see. This week alone, I lost three trades. I mean two trades on crypto. Let's see here. Let's see. Two this week alone. So how many three good trade I lost in crypto, guys? It's not easy. Oh. It's not easy. So I've been on losing streak in crypto now, like back to back. So I would have loved to check my total profit and loss so that you guys will see everything. But as you guys can see that everything that my history right now, I've showed you guys my history and pretty you guys can see what's up, guys. Alright guys, so I don't want this video to be too long, and if you have any comment you can drop any comment. If you have any advice for me that can help to help me right in my trading journey, please drop it on the comment section. Right, any way you know you can support me, and one way you can also support me is through by subscribing to this channel and also sharing this video with others. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Right, so watch out for I want you guys to watch out for this June, right? So I'm going to be very active in trading, ever since I've been doing most of all of this. I'm also doing other stuff, so, right? So I'm going to be very active this month because I decided to just focus more on my trading right now. So I'm going to be very active. Like I said, I'm going to be getting that other Profem account, and you guys are going to see pretty everything, right? So I might not that other Profem account. I might not show anything here on this channel. But I will journal the trade. I will certainly journal the trade, right, on this channel. But I might not just take it very serious because I intend on doing a challenge, right, with that particular account. So a challenge. So on that challenge, I'm going to post everything on my Ostibina YouTube channel, right? So that's actually what's going to happen, guys. So I really appreciate. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.